Hi guys, this is Mahmood and today I am going to start a new tutorial series on SQL Server Reporting Services. In this video tutorial series, I am going to discuss different types of reports, how to create different types of reports in SQL Server Reporting Services. For that you need to have SQL Server Management Studio installed in your system, and then you should have Microsoft Visual Studio also installed in your system. Uh, to install Microsoft SQL Server Management System, it won't come as a different package. Okay, it will come within SQL Server uh, software. Okay, you just installed any version of SQL Server, either 2008, 2008 R2, 2012 or 2014. It will come with that installation. While installation, it will ask for to install different components like SQL Server Reporting Services component, SQL Server Analysis Services, SQL Server Integration Services. All these components it will ask while you install SQL Server into your system. Okay, once you install, you will get Microsoft SQL Server installed in your system. Just open it. Okay, here just open it and then install or import a database. Here I have installed a Northwind database. Like that, you need to install one database into your Management Studio, and then after that you need to install Microsoft Visual Studio. Once you install these two softwares, then you need to create a project. Okay, where it is. Okay, first you need to create a project. To create a project, you need to click on File, click on New, and then click on Project. Okay, here you will be given some set of options like Analysis Services Project, Integration Services Project, Report Service Project, Wizard Report Service Project, and this Integration Services. But our uh, interest will be Report Server Project, as we are discussing now in this tutorial series on SQL Server Reporting Services. So we are going to create a report on a Report Server Project. So click on Report Server Project, and then give any name to your project, and then click OK. I have already created one project here. Let me show you. You can see here I have created a project called SS Reporting Services, that's SQL Server Reporting Services. Once you create a reporting services project or any project, you will have some three options here available here: shared data sources, shared data sets, and reports. I will discuss about shared data sources, what are shared data sources, and how it will help us while creating our reports. And along with this shared data sources, you have one report option, also report folder also. Just right click on that, and then you will get an option as add. Then you will find an option as new item. Click on new item. Here you can see you have some options like report wizard, report data source. So now in this video I am going to create a report wizard. I am going to create a report using wizard. So click on that, let it be report 1, and then click on add, and then click next. Here it will ask you to create a data source and link your connection string. Connection here, here it's asking you to create a data source. Data source is your database. Okay, this database, now this database you need to link here in your Microsoft Visual Studio's reporting services project. Okay, to that's what it's asking. It's asking you to link this your database here in SQL Server Reporting Services. That's called data source. Okay, this is a connect. It holds a connection string. Then that's connection string. It's asking you to enter here. Connection string in the sense this instance. Okay, this instance is called as the connection string. You need to enter that connection string here in order to connect to your Microsoft SQL Server Management Studios database, this NorthWind database. Okay, so you can it's very difficult to remember the connection string, so for that we need to go to edit, click on edit. Here you can see, here we need to enter our SQL Server instance name. Okay, if you come to your management studio, here you will find your instance name. Okay, dot backslash Mahmood. My instance name is dot backslash Mahmood. So that's what I'm going to enter here. Okay, right now I haven't entered any name, that's why all these options are disabled. Once I enter my instance name as Mahmood, and you can see these options now gets enabled. Okay, as soon as I enter the instance name, it will show you the list of databases available under this instance. Now click on NorthWind. Now so my interested database is NorthWind, so I have selected this. Just click OK. Okay, you will see you have this connection string. This connection string refers to the to your instance, SQL Server Management Studio or SQL Servers data, your instance. It will point to this instance. Okay, so just go to next, and here query builder is a tool where you will find the tables which are available in your database. Okay, if you click query builder, here there is an option as add table. Okay, it will asking you to select some single table or some set of tables. Okay, now for this since this is a first video, I am going to select only one table and then I will add. Okay, you can see you will get all the column names which are present in your customer tables. Now if you select one by one, or if you click all will be selected. It should hit select. Okay, then I don't want customer ID. Okay, I want these three fields. Okay, then click OK. Okay, you can see select company name. I have selected these three options. Okay, let me just delete, made some mistake. Okay, just click here, click on add table, click customer. Okay, now click these three fields and then click on OK. Okay, you can see I have selected three columns. Now click on next and then click tabular. I will discuss all these things in my next videos. This we have matrix, what is matrix. Okay, now next click OK, then add these three fields to your details. Okay, now click on next, select the theme, then click next and then finish. Okay, here you can see you have your columns here available here. Now click here, just increase the width and preview. You will see very quickly or very in a very fast way I have created one report here where I am showing company name, contact name and contact name and contact title from my table. Okay, as you can see, this is the data source which I had created and these are the data sets. Okay, guys, I hope you understand this video, how to create a report in SQL Server Reporting Services. I will see you in my next video where I will be discussing about how to create a shared connection to your database. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.